morning, welcome to my channel. We have a balmy 36 degrees this morning. We have some wind blowing. Very cold. As you can see, we've got more rain that came in. Our driveway is flooded again. It's soaking wet, full of all kinds of nastiness. All the stuff that you hate. The thunder chicken is still here. Unfortunately, with these temperatures here, guys, we can't go after nothing plastic, because if you go after plastic and try to pop stuff loose, it's just going to break and brittle, and it's going to create a big mess. So what we're going to do for today is just ride it out one more day. We're supposed to have some 50s coming in, so we're going to get back up on it. Right now, when it's just cold, you can't mess with hoses or anything plastic, because you just cause yourself more work and more money trying to replace the parts you got all broke up, because everything's so brittle. But I just wanted to touch base with you and let you know that we're going to get back on it. We just need some better weather. So I appreciate you guys being patient with us, but I promise the results are going to be well worth it. So hang in there with us, and I thank you very much, and I'll see you as soon as I can.